Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this quick guide, I will show you how to find and copy your Solana SOL wallet address on Bitget, including how to access the QR code. So let's get started. First, open the Bitget app on your phone and log into your account. Now tap on the assets icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap the deposit button and go with deposit crypto. In the coin list, type SOL in the search bar or select Solana SOL from the list. Make sure the network is set to Solana SOL. It should be selected automatically. Do not use another network like BEP20 or TRC20 for SOL. It must be on the Solana chain. Once you select your network, you will now be able to see your Solana wallet address and a QR code. Tap copy to copy the address or scan the QR code from another wallet to send SOL easily. And that's how you find your Solana wallet address on Bitget. Make sure to use the correct network when transferring SOL to avoid any loss. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and follow for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.